Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. At the time of this video, it is Halloween night. What better way to celebrate than camping in the backyard? We are cooking brats, making queso, burning our mouths on both. Should be a fun video. Let's get into the intro. Ooh. Welcome to the backyard. In tradition, before we get everything set up, we must get into something more comfortable. 3, 2, 1. Ta-da! Okay, let's get set up.
Like, I can't even touch it. Oh, barely.
All we need to do is stake down those guy wires to keep the tent from popping in right there, and then we can take away the center strap. Man, this thing is huge. Floor in. Oh! I dropped you, I'm sorry. Now, in theory, I should be able to loosen this and it not collapse. Ta-da!
Hey.
Let's put the floor in.
Okay.
Oh my goodness. Much better. Floor is in. There you go. Oh, Patch, go inside. Yeah, go in. Ooh. Queen mattress. Your power, madam.
Oh, thank you.
Abby, you gonna stand on the mattress like always?
She's helping.
She loves to stand on the mattresses every time we try to inflate it. What do you think? Patchy boy. Good boy. Get in there?
Yeah. Oh no! Okay.
You got it. Oh, round 2.
Yeah, this will be easier. Pull my hair out.
Okay, you're good. You're free. Long hair hazard.
Called it.
The bed bandit
Just like that.
strikes again. Since we're bougie, we have a cot for our dogs. I'm gonna throw that in there as well.
Let me straighten
There she goes. Oh, Abby. Such a posh hound. But we love her. It is gonna be cozy in here. Tonight's heat source, buddy heater. It's a little stove fan on it. And I'm gonna set it on the Salu box so it doesn't melt the plastic at the bottom of the tent. I got this hose that has an adapter that goes to a 20-pound tank. You connect it. Before we get the fire going, I must plug in my little handy dandy portable television. So this is just a 32-inch Roku TV I bought at Walmart. I have a steel target stand and I did a great job fastening it. It was a rush job, but it works. Now we can have portable TV anywhere we want. Spoiler alert, I may have got Starlink, so we might have to do some super remote like UFC fight night videos or other stuff like that. It'll be cool. Stay tuned for that. You already know we got to turn on outdoor, boys.
Next to it. Oh, look at that. It's a butter cloud.
Sun's going down. I'm gonna get the fire going. Since we're in the backyard, you're allowed to use hacks. We have brats and gonna make some homemade queso over the fire, and then afterwards we got stuff for s'mores.
I've been looking forward to roasted brats all day.
It's officially gotten cold enough. The comfy is coming back. Should be a pretty cool sunset. The colors are looking good. Also, I should mention, at the time of filming this video, it's actually Halloween. So happy Halloween to us. This is how we choose to spend it. We dressed up as couch gremlins. Oh, you can see the mountains are red down there. Yeah, Pretty cool. There's trick-or-treaters.
Emerge from your little cave.
What a sunset. We're getting there with the coals. Once there's enough coals, I'm gonna take this grate, put it over, and then take the pan, start making some queso. It is 6:39. While the coals are going down, Holland is going to go feed the horses. I'm gonna have her film a little bit so you can see. So cut to the horse feeding montage.
Look like you have devil eyes. It's Halloween, I guess that's appropriate. Come on! Oh, okay, we've got hay, our meds, grain, goats that won't shut up. You gotta join in on the couch potato costume. Or the warm and cozy costume, we'll call it. Ta-da! Time to release the munchkins. Hey, no, you don't get that stuff. Don't think about it yet. Nope, 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 nope.
Now that we got the coals going, put this grate on there. Let the pan heat up, and then we'll throw in the chorizo. Pork chorizo. I'm gonna grab a spatula from inside. That's good. Gonna add some heavy whipping cream. Now I'm gonna cut up a bunch of this Oaxaca cheese. I don't have a cutting board, but I'm just gonna rip it into chunks like that. Stir it all up. Add in a can of these diced green chilies. Last but not least, we're gonna add a bunch of Valentina. Got some tortilla chips. Homemade queso over the fire. Oh, look at that. Yeah, that's incredible. This is delicious. Holland is back. We're gonna get a live reaction of the queso.
Ooh.
We got a winner. Wind is picking up quite a bit, so we're gonna cook some brats real quick. And then I think we might move the TV into the tent to get out of the wind after dinner. Okay, so we got Johnsonville brats. It's supposed to get down to 31 tonight, so just below freezing. Brats are roasting nicely, and we're watching the NBA. Holland is spooning queso.
I want to sit and eat stuff.
Oh.
Oh.
It's hard to beat cooking over a fire. Oh no! I added too much wood.
Got to thaw the ground out. I gotta build a massive fire.
Well, that was fast. Oh no, the bread is burning.
It's a little dark, but not.
Yeah, I've seen
It'll be
worse.
good. Oh yeah, I've eaten this first.
Put our buns down. There. Got some sweet relish. Oh wow, that came out fast. All right, lots of relish. A little bit of yellow mustard.
I think that's a big part of
Dry,
This is
so I
gonna
have to put
burn
some
my
sweet.
mouth for
We'll see
sure.
what the problem in the wintertime. You really don't know what type of ground you're dealing with until
Whew, that is delicious. 10 out of 10. We're gonna enjoy these and we'll see you after dinner. Peace. We have to do s'mores, so cut to that.
like a little bit of pork gel bacon.
Unfortunately, for some reason, I don't know if I did something wrong, I have no audio of all the clips from last night and then some through the morning, so I'm just gonna recap what happened. After we made brats, Holland put some marshmallows on and burned them immediately. Then we ate them. They were quite delicious. They were made with little Reese's trees because I bought Christmas candy instead of Halloween candy. Then we climbed into the tent. I got the buddy heater going, vented the windows, went outside. I grabbed the TV on the stand and set it up in there. After the heat went for a while, the dogs ran in and immediately took all the cozy spots. So we just kind of hang out. I sat there and messed with Patch all night and we watched TV and then went to bed. This morning, Woke up at about 8 a.m. Stayed warm all night. Hopped out of the tent. Got the fire going again because it was pretty chilly. About 32 out here. And then brought the coffee maker out. And we had some nice pumpkin coffee courtesy of Arwen. So thank you, Arwen. We've just been hanging out by the fire for the last like hour and a half. Just chilling, listening to all the geese flying what appears to be north for the winter. They'll turn around, they'll figure it out. Sorry about losing all that audio. I will try and make it work.
Stupid technology.
Okay, since it is a whopping 32 degrees outside, I'm gonna make breakfast inside. Making some hash browns, and on the top we're gonna put a little sausage gravy. Jimmy Dean maple. White flour. Just gonna add a little milk. It's looking like sausage gravy to me. Optional. It'll make it taste way better. And there we have it. Crispy hash browns with some sausage gravy on top. Cheers. This is also 10,000 degrees.
I know.
Whew. Wow. Delicious.
A little bit of everything.
Oh, so good. It's time to take it all down. Whew. I'm tired. Wow, that's bright. That is gonna wrap up today's video. Thank you guys for tuning in. Hope you guys enjoyed it as much as we enjoyed filming it. And we'll see you guys next week. Peace.